Versatile styling, wear it at home, in the gym, or layered for streetwear. Built on a mission. At Avora Nature, our mission is to redefine everyday essentials through the lens of sustainability, health, and natural living. The hoodie reflects everything we stand for: clean design, ethical sourcing, and long-term wearability. By choosing this hoodie, you're not just buying fashion, you're investing in a healthier world, one garment at a time. Behind the fabric, the science of comfort. In this video, we explore the materials that make this hoodie your new favorite. Natural fibers that breathe and adapt to your body temperature. Minimal synthetic blends for flexibility and durability.